How to add or import music in Alight Motion. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how can you add or import music in Alight Motion. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Alight Motion app on your device. After you open Alight Motion, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to just open your project from where you want to add or import music in that project. In my case, I have opened this random project. Now from here, to add or import music, you'll have to tap on plus icon at the bottom right. From here is two steps like you can directly export or import music in Alight Motion. For the first one, tap on media. From the section, choose the media or video from where you want to extract audio. After you choose the video, you'll have to simply select that video. After you select that, tap on three dot at the top right. From the section, tap on extract audio. After you tap on that, you'll be able to extract the audio from that video, and from here you can simply remove that video by tapping on that. Simply tap on the delete icon at the top right, and for the another option, tap on audio, and from here simply you can go the option view all. From the section you can find your audio from your files, songs or any albums. And that's it. These are the ways you can try to add or import music in Alight Motion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.